What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajunrnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. I got 3 wasps flying over top of me right now underneath this overhang. But I do it for you. I do it for you. Y'all know I'm making it. Today, we're bringing to you a very Bayou edition Andouille and Tasso Fettuccine. Very Bayou. Today's seasoning is going to be Bayou Marines Cajun seasoning. Got this when I went to the LA Smoked Meat Festival. And it's very good. Thought might as well use it on this dish. So let's go ahead and get started. Your ingredient list contains tasso, andouille, bell peppers, onion, jalapeno pepper, if we want it. If you don't want it, don't add it. Sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, cream of celery soup, cream of mushroom soup, garlic, and either linguine or fettuccine, whichever one that your store is not currently out of. Alright, we got a half a pot of water here. I got it set on high so we can bring it up to a boil. Gonna go ahead and salt the water. Let this come up to a boil. I'll bring you back when the water starts to boil. Our water is up to a boil. Now some people are gonna say this is sacrilegious. Other people are gonna say this is fine. The way I was taught, crack them in half. Let them go for 8 minutes. Alright, we're at 8 minutes. I'm going to try to pull one of these out. Yeah, we done. Gonna go ahead and drain this off and bring you back for the meat portion. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and move over to our meat portion. Now this is tasso. Specifically made around in the Louisiana area. It's basically a cured pork product from the hind leg portion or the shank area. If you can't get your hand on this, substitute some prosciutto or some chorizo. Can work as a good substitute. You can make this yourself. I just have no need for 10-15 pounds of tasso at one time. Now we're going to go ahead and cut up our andouille. Your store should carry andouille. It's a spicy sausage from down here. All sorts of companies make the product nowadays. Alright, we're going to go ahead now, throw down some olive oil on the pan. Get that all around real quick. And throw our meat onto the pan. Throw down some of that Bayou Marine Cajun seasoning on there. Let that go for a couple minutes. Alright, and we back. Meat's pretty much successfully browned off, so we're going to go ahead and scoop those out into a pan. Add in a little more olive oil. Throw in our onions. Our orange bell peppers. I'm going to throw in some red bell peppers. Make it a colorful dish. We're also going to throw in one whole jalapeno and let that go for a couple minutes. Now that our bell peppers and onions have had a couple minutes to cook down, we're going to go ahead and add in about 4 cloves of garlic minced. And we're going to throw in some of that Cajun seasoning from Bayou Marine. We're going to go ahead and add in now some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm not going to chop them up. You can if you want to. I like them whole. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our cream of celery and cream of mushroom soups. Go ahead and stir that around. Got to get all those vegetables incorporated into it. Going to go ahead and add in our meat now. Stir that all in. And we done. Now it's time to build our bowl. And took no time at all. Less than 30 minutes to do this meal. You won't be disappointed, I'll guarantee that. Sound like Justin Wilson there. I guarantee. Here we go. Got sausage, noodle, and tasso. Oh yeah. That's the stuff right there. Nice, spicy, creamy. Hits the spot. Guarantee you're going to gain some weight off of eating this meal. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.